Ever since medical science technology started evolving, human life got more and more secure. The only thing that lacked between humans and this technology was its availability in remote places where people live. Prachin Healthcare has now filled this gap for the residents of Raigad district and Panvel. This hospital is strategically placed adjacent to the old Mumbai-Pune highway and is very near to the expressway. It will be the first tertiary care hospital as you enter Mumbai. Objective for this initiative: with the increase in population, the usage of chemicals in every field at the same time, along with contamination of water and change in lifestyle, causes the rise in communicable and non-communicable diseases. Another prominent cause is the increase in the number of accidents on the highways as a consequence of the rise in the number of vehicles on the road. Therefore, we as Prachin Group always understood the need for a trauma care center near these accident-prone highways. And we also realized the need of a multi-speciality hospital for the people of Raigad and Panvel who succumb to the unending jams on the roads of Mumbai. Thus, we've chosen this convenient location. We fulfill all the essentials of a multi-speciality hospital. Our convenient location, our devices and equipments are standardized, updated with the latest technology and are safe. Our doctors, nurses and staff are highly experienced professionals who are well-trained and legally licensed. Our hospital is spacious, clean, hygienic and has first-class facility for our patients. There are various rooms such as treatment rooms, diagnosis rooms, operating theatres, recovery room and other rooms that are provided for the comfort of our patients. Prachin Group Overview. Prachin Healthcare is an initiative by Prachin Group which was established in 1998. In its initial years, under the guidance of its founder, Shri Rajesh Ramchandra Dake, they have advanced tremendously and in a couple of decades have come to be recognized as the most successful business houses in Navi Mumbai. Prachin has a reputation of being the youngest and the most promising business houses of the area. Mr. Rajesh Dake, a chemical engineer of par excellence, envisioned his organization to be of international repute and caliber. Introduction to Prachin Healthcare. Welcome to Prachin Healthcare, the first multi-speciality, ultra-modern hospital in Panvel, powered by the state-of-the-art infrastructure, advanced machinery and efficient integrated healthcare management system.
Prachin Healthcare is an excellent amalgamation of experienced consultants to ensure apt diagnosis and treatment, skilled paramedics to put the prescribed treatment into practice,
with world-class technology to support diagnosis and treatment, and above all, a sincere intent to care for the ailing with care.
Prachin Healthcare, committed in terms of services and quality, is the motto of Prachin Healthcare.
Our quality objectives are best quality patient care, judicious use of drugs and appropriate interventions,
compliance with highest standards of medical ethics,
continued skill upgradation and keeping update of latest developments to carry out all processes right the first time, on time and every time.
Highlights of some of the key facilities at Prachin Healthcare are: facility is approved by ISO 9001-2008 certification. We also have a 24/7 accident and trauma care center. Operation Theatre. We have 3 latest in-house theatres with 24 hours staff support, laminar airflow, patient traffic single way, latest CSSD. Fully equipped intensive care units. Advanced diagnostic machinery and equipments. 24/7 pathology. Our lab is in the final stages of the NABL accreditation, which consists of hematology, biochemistry, microbiology, histopathology departments, and latest analyzer. We have medical specialties such as orthopedics, gynecology, urology, ophthalmology, ENT, pediatric, oncology, general surgery, cardiology, dermatology, neurology. We also have 24/7 pharmacy.
Come be with us.